25 times larger than the Sun. A huge star just disappeared without an explosion. What happened to it? Welcome to the Space Diary channel. Before watching, I want to ask you to help our channel by liking and subscribing. A huge star was supposed to explode in a supernova, but it didn't. 14 years ago, at a distance of 22 million light-years from the Earth, a giant star, 25 times larger than the Sun by mass, disappeared, and astronomers were able to observe it. But before it disappeared, the star, called N6946bh1, became so bright that it was 1,000,000 times brighter than the Sun, indicating that a supernova was imminent. But the star did not explode, but disappeared. When scientists tried to find this star using ground-based telescopes and the Hubble Space Telescope, they found nothing. The authors of the new study, published on the Arxiv preprint server, know what happened to this star, and the Webb Space Telescope helped them fizz right. For several years now, astronomers have speculated that the star N6946bh1 could have turned into a black hole instead of exploding in a supernova, as massive stars do at the end of their lives. That is, it was a failed supernova. The authors of the new study used data from the Webb Space Telescope to clarify the situation with the disappearance of the huge star. In the new images, they found a bright infrared source that looks like a remnant of a shell of dust and gas surrounding the former star. That is, it could be a substance ejected by the star during the period of its increasing brightness. But on the other hand, this substance could be the material that a black hole absorbs, which remains after the star. But the most interesting thing is that in the new images, astronomers found not one, but 3 light sources, so the model of a failed supernova became less likely. The scientists concluded that all 3 sources of infrared light had previously been unable to be seen by telescopes due to insufficient technical equipment. Therefore, astronomers believe that in fact the increase in the brightness of the star was caused by the collision of 2 stars. What was considered one huge star, in fact, was a double star system. When the stars merged, the radiation stopped and the object became too dim to see. On the other hand, the option of a failed supernova is also not excluded. But in this case, understanding the nature of supernova and the appearance of stellar mass black holes becomes more complicated. So, contrary to theories, some huge stars can turn into stellar mass black holes. But whether this was preceded by a supernova explosion remains a mystery. According to scientists, as a result of a supernova explosion, there is enough mass to turn a formerly massive star into a black hole. But it is very difficult to imagine that this could happen. So far, astronomers believe that it was a failed supernova and the star turned into a black hole without exploding. At the same time, the option of a merger between the 2 stars is not going away. New observations should show more such events, which will make it possible to distinguish between the merger of 2 stars and real failed supernovae. Scientists say that in this way it is possible to better understand the last stages of the life of stars when they intend to turn into black holes of stellar mass. As you can see, there are many theories as to why this happened. What do you think? Did the star N6946bh1 turn into a black hole, or it was a merger of 2 stars? Share your opinion in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for more interesting videos.